Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you have a very small closet like I do, you will really enjoy this 4-drawer dresser from CONNOO. This dresser fits perfectly in my small closet. I like the wooden handles here, and these drawers, they slide out very easily. It houses everything that I need. I needed extra storage for my clothes because I don't have a dresser, and so this serves as my dresser, and it works perfectly. This wooden top can house all sorts of different stuff. I put extra storage up there, but you could use it as an end table and put an alarm clock on it or perfumes. On the bottom, I have my swimsuits and my cover-ups. I like that this drawer opens fully and is easy to open, and I can see everything in it. And then at the top, I house my socks and different items that I need to wear on more of a regular basis. You can also fold clothes and put them on the top. So really, whatever you need this dresser for, I cannot recommend it enough. I am so happy it fits in my small closet. And that is my point of view.